Hey YouTube, what's up? You are looking at the Hipshot Kickass 4 installed on a Yamaha Broadbass 234 4-string bass guitar. This is one thick, big, and infinitely adjustable bridge. You see these little saddles over here? See those saddles? They slide, they adjust, and there's a little grub screw that sets them so you can set the strings perfectly between your pole pieces. Absolutely amazing product. Just to give you some idea of scale, this is the original bridge right next to it. Okay, the original bridge is completely dwarfed by this thing. So I'm going to pull back and show you guys what it looks like on the guitar itself. And I think the Broadbass 234 is a perfect guitar for installation on this, simply because there's just a little bit more wood down here on the tail end of the guitar, on the bottom end, and it just fits so nicely. But it looks so big and massive, and if you want to take a look, this is what the Gotoh looks like, and this is on a Yamaha 174 bass guitar. Again, very nice, very beautiful, very elegant, but just going over here and looking at this, you're like, wow. Let me show you guys a couple different angles of this thing just so you get an idea of how big and monstrous this bridge is. You know, look at that. Can you see that? That is a lot of metal, guys. That's a lot of metal. You know, and here's the other one right next to it. Okay, and the metal's like about that thick. So, do I like it? Yeah, I like it. I think the owner of this Broadbass 234 is absolutely going to love this guitar with this bridge installed. Very cool install. And the Gotoh as well. Very nice bridge. Looks great on that guitar. Meaning the Broadbass 234. Stay tuned. There's a clip following this little clip right here, and it'll show you what the Gotoh looks like on a Broadbass 234 with a different finish. This is raspberry red. Okay, now what you're looking at now is a Gotoh bridge installed on a Yamaha BB 234 bass, 4-string bass guitar. And this is a very classy, elegant upgrade to this guitar. It's a very nice look. It's beautifully made. I'll pull back a little bit so you can see what it looks like, actually looks like on this particular bass. Come around this way a little bit. Just looks terrific on this guitar. Now, it's a great upgrade. As you can see, the alignment between the pole pieces, and it's pretty good. The strings are running almost perfectly between those pole pieces. Okay guys, there it is. The Gotoh bridge. Great upgrade.